Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to know if your Anker power bank is charging, so you can make sure it's ready to power your devices. First, plug your power bank into a wall charger or USB port using the original charging cable. Make sure the cable is properly connected and the power source is working. Next, look at the LED indicators on the power bank. Most Anker models have 4 small lights that show the battery level. When the power bank is charging, these lights usually blink in sequence to indicate the charging process. If all lights stay solid, it means the power bank is fully charged. If only 1 or 2 lights are on or blinking slowly, it's still charging and gaining power. For some newer Anker models, a digital display shows the exact percentage of charge. This helps you track how much power is stored and when it will be full. Finally, make sure the charging port is clean and free from debris, as dirt can prevent the connection from working properly. By following these steps, you can easily know if your Anker power bank is charging and ensure it's ready when you need it. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.